Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change voice prompt language on your headphones Edifier W830NB. You have to start by open the application and now go to settings at the right top. And right here we have voice prompt language, click on it. And now we have only two options, English or Japanese. So if you wanna swap to Japanese, just click on it and then click confirm. Confirm. And now we should wait. Don't use it. Just wait until this update is finished. And after it finish, click confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.